All right, so this is box 1, Bowman Draft, Sapphire. We're going to do 24 of these. Looking for a Papadopoulos. We did 24 yesterday and did not hit a red or better. So we're starting off with a gold, so a little better. Okay, let's see what happens here. I forgot. Everybody's got a team. So Aaron Schunk, Melendez, Fletcher, Cassis, Slayton, Gunther, Gambrel, Brewer, Hicklin, Hunter, Bishop. Nice card. Kyle McCann, Riley Green. Very nice for Detroit. Glenn Allen Hill, Williamson, Mateo Gill, Brent Rooker, Wander Franco. Very nice for the Rays. Fitterer, CJ Abrams. Just an awesome box so far in the base. Palante, Carroll, Jimenez, Thompson, Callahan, Brickhouse. Josh Smith, Lewis, Bo Phillip, Amaya, Kendall Williams, Julio Pablo, Ethan Hankins. But are you guys ready for this? Who is that? Holy cow. Holy cow. Wow. Just like that, first box, 2 of 15, Andrew Vaughn. Third overall pick, 2 of 15. Holy smokes. And look at the base in that one. Wow. Wow. Cool. Congratulations. Whoever has the White Sox, your break is completely paid for. And your break tomorrow and the one after that. Hell yeah. Just like that. That is insane. What a hit. That'll do it. Sure enough. Okay, box 2. Got an orange. Edwards, Ciani, Pardino, Walston, Javier, Kirby, Alexander, Josh Jung. Nice card. Cairo, Johnson, Nova, Cantorino, Lazarito, Baum, Baylor, Weathers, Hankins, Sanford, Garcia, Devers, Nunez, Ornelas, Henderson, Anderson, Wolf, Robinson, Kyle Stowers, Sanchez, Allen, and Matt Mercer, and Christian Cairo Blue. We just hit an orange of him in the and speaking of orange, Jimmy Lewis for the Dodgers. I know a guy collecting that Jimmy Lewis, so if you guys are looking for what to do with that Jimmy Lewis, contact Big Fan 5 on the forum. Big Fan 5. All right, guys, box 3. Another orange, so that's pretty good. 15, 25, 25. Gunther, Gambrel, Stewart, Hines, India, Strump, Gorman, Hill, Williamson, Gill, Kessinger, Costello, Campbell, Freeman, Shoemake, Rooker, Palante, and Wander Franco. That's a very nice base card. Fitterer, CJ Abrams, also nice. Carroll, Jimenez, Williams, Martinez, McCray, Jimenez, Grant Levine, Nolan Song, Shea Langoliers, Brandon Lewis, just missing the Brett Batty. He'd have been the next base card. Jonathan India, I want to say he was top 5 in 2018. I think he actually was 5. And Miguel Amaya, that's a nice one for the Cubs. International signee, Miguel Amaya. He's gonna be pretty good. He's a big old dude. Jonathan India was 5th, 2018. So some nice cards. Not your first Bowmans though, so that's the only remotely negative thing to say about that box. Some nice base cards though, for sure. Box 4. All right, guys, here we go with box number 4. Another orange. That's really good. We've only had orange and gold so far. Vince Fernandez, Wesneski, Cower, Edwards, Ciani, first rounder. Pardino, Walston, I think he's also a first rounder. Javier, Jack Little, Josh Jung, top 10. I want to say 9, 8 or 9. Cairo, Johnson, Nova, Cantorino, Lazarito, Tyler Baum, Garcia, Devers, Nunez, Ornelas, Corey Lee, first rounder. Will Wilson, first rounder. Darian Cruz, no longer in baseball. Siegler, Davidson, Garcia, Henderson, Anderson, Wolf, and Christian Robinson. George Kirby. A lot of people, he's got some good fans. George Kirby. 79 of 99 for George Kirby. And I believe he was first round. We're going to find out here in just a second. But I believe he was. Yeah, first rounder, 20th overall. And Justin Slayton, not a first rounder, that I know. Justin Slayton, but orange Justin Slayton, third rounder. 20 of 25 for the Rangers. So Seattle Rangers, nice box. Nothing crazy in there. I mean, the Kirby's nice, like I said, but nothing crazy. This is a box 5. Box 5. Got a gold. That's fantastic. That's fantastic. 2 golds and 3 oranges. It won't last, but that's nice. George Kirby, Blaze Alexander, Keone Cavaco. 2 cards later is going to be Lodolo. Cavaco, 1. Lodolo, 2. Stinson, Jameson, Mauricio, nice card. Triolo, Tebow, Hudson Head, Prado, Kachanowicz, Terang, Alejandro Kirk, Fletcher, Gore, Lugo, Jelly, Lipschitz, Smith, Cooper Johnson, Kyle Stowers, Sanchez, Allen, Mercer, Massey, Gilliam, Murphy, Wallner. Ooh, that might be good. That might be really good. I don't know, though. Maybe it's not. Valdez. Nice card. Nice card. I think this is another good card. 14 out of 50 for Valdez. Be the guy. Be the guy. Be the guy. Look at that. So we've hit the 3rd overall pick and the 4th overall pick in gold. Look at that. 1 of 15. eBay 1 of 1. JJ Bleday. Damn. For the Marlins in box 5. Holy cow. Congratulations, Marlins box 5. We have hit some monsters tonight. We did not hit these last night. We just didn't hit them. We had nice cards, don't get me wrong, but nothing that would even remotely compare to these two. I mean, seriously, nothing. Either one of them. Either one of these cards would be the best card we hit yesterday by far. In Sapphire. We had a blue Riley Green. I think that's like our best hit yesterday, which, nothing, that's a great hit. Don't get me wrong, but nothing like this. Okay, box 6. I feel like we need a red now. A red or a Papadopoulos, right? That's what I feel like. How about a red and an orange? Phil, have you ever seen a red and an orange? I've seen red and green, but I've never seen red and orange. Wow. That's a great box. Hold on, I gotta get a photo. That's a great box. That's nuts. I've never seen it, honest. Crazy. Hold on, I'm going to start up your music again. There we go. Okay. All right. Let's see what is in this. Box 6. Tristan Cassis, Slayton, Fletcher, Gunther, Gambrell, Stewart, Reese Hines, India, Riley Green. Great base card. That's fantastic. Glenn Allen Hill, Williamson, Mateo Gill, Kessinger, Costello, Campbell, Freeman, CJ Abrams. Another great card. A little off center, top to bottom, but Palante, Carroll, Jimenez, Zach Thompson, Adaman, Cameron Misner, Lewis, Phillip, Amaya, Kendall Williams, Julio Pablo, Grant McCrae, and Christian Javier. He's an international signee. Nice card, not a first Bowman. That's really the only thing about this card that's bad. Christian Javier, international signee. And the red, that's nice. Hayden Wesneski. Hayden Wesneski for the Yankees, 1 of 5. Hayden Wesneski. 6th rounder, but a red. Yankees first Bowman. I mean, it's hard to complain about that. It really is. Crazy. So that is box 6. Not a huge name either way, but very nice. And then, of course, the Abrams and the Riley Green are also very nice. If either one of those had been a big name, that would have just been an insane, absolutely insane box. Never seen a red and an orange in the same box before. I've seen red and green. That's the craziest I've ever seen. Usually you get a blue. Really? Double gold? Wow, I've never seen double gold. I've got gold and green, though. I've pulled that before right now. Doxicus, Liberatore, Driscoll, Ornelas, Lewis, Fernandez, Wesneski, Cower, Florial, Small, Varsho, Toglia, Alec Manoah, 13th overall, Jack Little, Josh Jung, 8th overall, Christian Cairo, Eric Yang, Jamari Baylor, Weathers, Hankins, Sanford, Garcia, Devers, Wenzel, Rodriguez, the first overall #1 pick, Adley, very, very nice, Mangum, Quinn Priester, first round, Siegler, Logan Davidson, first round, and our green is Justin Slayton. We've already hit him tonight. What did we say, like 4th round or something for that, Justin Slayton? But the gold is, hey, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Logan Wyatt, first rounder, not top 5 anymore, but still, oh, I lied, 2nd rounder, 51st overall. Logan Wyatt, though, very, very nice, first baseman. That's a great box. It really is. It might not seem like it because of the boxes we've been having, but that is a great box. Box 8. This is box 8 coming up. It's the Papadopoulos. We finally hit a Papadopoulos. Nice. Deathridge, Seth Beer, Packard, Andrew Vaughn. I want a top 10 Papadopoulos really bad. Miller, Doxicus, Liberatore, Driscoll. This is box 8. Casey Golden, Kyle Isbell, Antoine Kelly, Owen Miller, TJ Sikema, Estevan Florial, Ethan Small, Varsho, Nelson, Gilbert, Marsh, Shervian Newton, Peyton Burdick, Eric Yang, Jamari Baylor, Brandon Lewis, Brett Batty. That's a nice card. That's a nice card. Thomas Dilliard, Jensen, Dane Dunning, Davis Wenzel, Brent Rooker. We've got some Brent Rooker fans. Be a first Bowman first. It's not. Damn. Still, it's a nice card. He's a high draft pick. Just wasn't this year. 1 of 1, Ryan Weathers. 1 of 1, Ryan Weathers. 7th overall last year for the Padres. It's a nice card. I ain't mad. I really wanted a top 10, but I wanted a top 10 from this year. I should have been more specific. But hey, it's a one of one. Crazy. So Padres box 8 with the one of one Papadopoulos. Box 9 coming up. I think the Adley's been pulled, Phil. I think in the Sapphire thread, somebody mentioned the Adley being pulled like first week. I think. Another orange. So I haven't had a base box yet. Edwards, Ciani, Pardino, Walston, Javier, Kirby, Alexander, Johnson, Nova, Cantorino, Lazarito, Tyler Baum, Mauricio, Triolo, Nunez, Ornelas, Corey Lee, Darian Cruz, Will Wilson, Alejandro Kirk, Fletcher, Gore, Garcia, Henderson, Anderson, Wolf, Robinson, Stowers, Sanchez, and Matthew Allen. The blue, Blake Walston, Balake, that's a nice card. First rounder. I want to say he's in like the 30s, right? Blake Walston. No, 26th. 26th overall. And the orange, Valdez. Valdez for the Indians. Yordis Valdez, second rounder, shortstop, Cleveland Indians. So, you know, nothing compared to the boxes we've had tonight. That's not a great box, but some really nice cards. Both first Bowman, one's a first rounder. It's hard to complain about that. Box 10. I could be wrong, but I was pretty sure. Our first base box, a green and a blue. Box 10, Fernandez, Wesneski, Cower, Edwards, Ciani, Pardino, Walston, Javier, Taglia, Alec Manoa, Jack Little, Josh Jung, very nice card, Cairo, Johnson, Nova, Cantorino, Burdick, Yang, Baylor, Weathers, Hankins, Sanford, Garcia, Davidson, Garcia, Henderson, Anderson, Wolf, Robinson, Stowers, Greg Jones. He looks good in blue. That is a first round draft pick. He has the highest speed rating I've ever seen. Matthew Thompson. Very nice. That's a nice card. I think he's first round too. Second round for Matthew Thompson. That was a good box. Rays and White Sox. Good box. Box 11. Gold and blue. Tommy Henry, Swaggerty, Desan Brown, Wilson, James Beard, Zephyr John, Mesa, Wyatt, Julio Rodriguez on the schoolyard. Brady McConnell, Kellenick, Michael Bush, Reyes, Cody Hose, Robertson, Gorski, Baker, Mears, Adams, Thompson, Downs, Ghost, Arias, Espino, Tennessee Whiskey Espino, Mitchell, Joey Bart, Agnos, J.J. Bleday. Nice card. 4th overall pick. Rivera, Quintana, and Eric Pardino. Okay. Dane Dunning. Dane Dunning, I think, is a first rounder, just obviously not this year. Yeah. 29th overall, 2016. Dane Dunning. So first round gold. Eric Pardino's had a couple cards. That's probably one of our worst boxes, to be honest with you. Box 11. All the people in box 11 are like, thanks, dude. Okay, box 12. It's another Papadopoulos. That's 2 Papadopoulos tonight. I can never hit these. So to hit 2 in a matter of a couple boxes. That's crazy. So we've got another shot at the top 10. Gunther, top 10 2019. Gambrel, Stewart, Hines, India, Strump, Gorman, Swaggerty, Tebow, Head, Prado, Kochanowicz, Terang, Capel, Losi, Tyler Fitzgerald, Santana, Ortiz, Robertson, Gorski, Baker, Mears, Adams, Wallner, White, Malone, Arias, Tennessee Whiskey, Mitchell, Joey Bart, Logan Davidson. That's a first rounder. He looks good in green, doesn't he? That's a cool card. Logan Davidson, first round. Come on, man. Come on, top 10. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. We hit his red tonight. Hey, that's not bad. I'll take it. It's a first Bowman. Hayden Wesneski, 2019 draft pick. What was that? Sixth round, but a Yankees pitcher. We got a Yankees pitcher in the chat room, so obviously we had some good luck tonight. That's just crazy. Crazy how these are going tonight. These boxes are insane. And that, my friend, is box 12. And we've hit 2 Papadopoulos in a matter of what? Just a couple boxes. That's crazy. It's insane. I'm trying. Tonight's definitely giving me a big boost. So I think that's 3 in just the last few days, right? I think that's the 3rd one in the last few days. All right, box 13. Let's get another one. Now I'm getting greedy. All right. 2 Papadopoulos in 12 boxes. And a purple. Our first purple, I think. Abreu, Lodolo, Lewis, Fernandez, Wesneski, Cower, Edwards, Taglia, Manoa, Little, Jung, Cairo, Johnson, Nova, Nunez, Ornelas, Corey Lee. This is box 13. Darian Cruz, Will Wilson, Alejandro, Fletcher, Gore, Davidson, Garcia, Henderson, Anderson, Wolf, Robinson, Stowers. The blue is Jahmai Jones. He's had a lot of cards. And the purple, speaking of a lot of cards, Bryce Train. That's not a very good box. Both of these guys have so many cards out there that even like a red or the 1 of 1 wouldn't be like a huge deal just because they've got so many cards. Box 13, but good color with the purple. Box 14. This is my lucky number. That's how it goes, though, man. I went so many boxes without hitting one and then hit 2 back-to-back like that. Stinson, Jameson, Hall, Valdez, Gomez, Henry, Swaggerty, Kochanowicz, Terang, Capel, Losi, Fitzgerald, Wyatt, Julio Rodriguez, Lipsius, Smith, Johnson, Santana, Ortiz, Robertson, and Gorski, Baker, Gilliam, Murphy, Wallner, White, Malone, Arias, Espino, Cal Mitchell, and nice card, Nick Lodolo. That's a nice hit. 7th overall, Nick Lodolo. And Nolan Gorman. That's not too shabby either. Nolan Gorman, last year's slugger, but he's gonna have such a good year this year. I can already tell. Well, maybe he's gonna have such a good year next year. Now that I think about it. A couple nice cards right there. So that is 14. Box 15. Green and blue again. Zephyr John, Victor Mesa, John Ray, Bryson Stott, that's a nice card. Alec Baum, Shunk, Melendez, Kellenic, Bush, Reyes, Hose, Schmidt, Greg Jones, Hicklin, Thompson, Downs, JJ Goes, Drew Waters, Shoemake, Brent Rooker, Wander Franco, nice card. Wander Franco, Federer, JJ Bleday. Usually don't hit him this early in a pack. Rivera, Quintana, Groshans, Schultz, Callahan, Brickhouse, and Jordan Adams. Nice prospect for the Angels, but not a first Bowman. And Mackenzie Gore, likewise. So the color were okay. They're good names, but the Wander Franco, none of those are first Bowmans, though. But the Wander Franco is a nice hit. That'll pay for a few boxes, that's for sure. All right, 16. Box 16. I think that's a red. Yeah, red, not a Papadopoulos, a red. Okay. D.L. Hall, Valdez, Gomez, Henry, Swaggerty, Brown. Losing my voice. Izzy Wilson, James Beard, Kachanowicz, Bryce Terang, Capel, Losi, Fitzgerald, Logan Wyatt, Julio Rodriguez, Brady McConnell, Matthew Lugo, Fletcher, Jelly, Ellipsius, Smith, Johnson, Santana, Malone, Arias, Espino, Cal Mitchell, Joey Bart, Jake Agnos, JJ Bleday, very nice card. First Bowman, Grant Gambrell. And the red, be a big name, be a big name, be a big name. Greg Jones, I like it. I like that red right there. 4 of 5, Greg Jones, first round draft pick. 22nd overall. Really, really, really like him. Super, super, super fast. Red, Greg Jones, Gambrell. He is also batting .341, so I mean it's not like he only has speed. JJ Bleday, some really, really nice cards in box 16. Box 17. Got a blue and green. Zephyr John, Mesa, Raves, Bryson Stott, Baum, Shunk, Melendez, Reyes, Hose, Schmidt, Greg Jones, Hicklin, Hunter, Bishop, nice card. McCann, Matthew Thompson, Downs, Ghost, Water, Shoemake, Rooker, another Wander Franco. So nice for the Rays in box 17. JJ Bleday again, nice card for the Marlins in box 17. Rivera, Quintana, Groshans, Schultz, Callahan, Brickhouse, Josh Smith, and Matthew Allen. A lot of fans of Matthew Allen. And the green is Lazarito. Lazarito Armenteros. I want to say he's got a brother out there too. It looks good in green. I think he's got a brother. What's his? Isn't that his brother Rogero? Something like that. Matthew Allen, JJ Bleday, Wander Franco, some nice cards. And that is box 17. Box 18. Right there, box 18. I'm ready for my next Papadopoulos, I think. I think it's been long enough. Is it box 12? It's been like... This will be 6 boxes. That's plenty before your next Papadopoulos. And it's a blue-green. All right. Tommy Henry, Swaggerty, Brown, Wilson, Beard, Zephyrjan, Mesa, Capel, Losi, Fitzgerald, Wyatt, Bush, Reyes, Host, Robertson, Gorski, Baker, Mears, Adams, Thompson, Jeter Downs, JJ Goes, Arias, Espino, Mitchell, Bart, Agnos, another JJ Bleday. That's a very nice card. Congratulations. Eric Rivera. And the blue, bam. Brickhouse. He's got a cool name. And the green, bam. That's a nice one. Cameron Cannon. First rounder for the Red Sox. Right? I believe so. I believe he's first round. Nope, second round. But like the second pick in the second round. So, nice cards. And that is box 18. Box of 19. Congratulations. Got an orange. Orange and blue. John Rave. Bryson Stott. Very good card. Alec Baum. Shunk. Melendez. Fletcher. Cassis. Slayton. Clark Schmidt. Greg Jones. Hicklin. Hunter Bishop. Fantastic. Riley Green. Even better. Maybe. At least for right this moment. Hill. Williamson. Waters. Shoemake. Rooker. Wander Franco. Very cool card. Fitterer. CJ Abrams. We're everywhere. Palante, Groshans, Schultz, Callahan, Brickhouse, Josh Smith, Royce Lewis, Bo Phillip, and John Doxakis. What? And bam! And Matt Cantorino. That's actually pretty good. Matt Cantorino for the Twins. Nice orange Cantorino. Second rounder, 22 out of 25. The Rays had a great box with the Doxakis and the Franco. And then Riley Green and Abrams for the Padres. And that is box 19. Not a bad box. Box 20. I wish they did all Sapphire like this. 132 card pack is just fantastic. Blue and green. Sammy Ciani, Pardino, Walston, Beer, Seth Beer. Bryant Packard, cool card. Andrew Vaughn for the White Sox. Miller, Doxakis, Cantorino, Lazarito, Baum, Mauricio, Triolo, Tebow, Head, Prado, Lugo, Lipsius, Jelly. Armani Smith, Johnson, Santana, Ortiz, Allen, Mercer, Massey, Gilliam, Murphy, Matt Wallner, Evan White, and Izzy Wilson. He's a Ray. Looks good in blue. Izzy Wilson. And Vince Fernandez. He's got a lot of cards. Vince Fernandez. Overall, not the greatest box ever unless you have the White Sox, in which case you're pretty happy. Box 20. All right, here comes, maybe. Here comes box 21. All right, buddy, have a good one. Nice. Blue and green. The blue's a first rounder. Strump, Gorman, Deathridge, Seth Beer, Packard, another Vaughn, very nice card. Miller, Campbell, Freeman, Steer, Veerling, Golden, Isbell, Kelly, Acevedo, Cannon, Jones, Nelson, Gilbert, Marsh. Newton, Burdick, Levine, Noah Song, Shea Langoliers, Lewis, Brett Batty. I love the Brett Batty card. That's a cool looking card. Dilliard, Jensen, and Dunning. First round. No. Yes. First. Not first round. First Bowman. Chris Murphy for the Red Sox. It's like round 6. Definitely not the first round. That's all right, though. It's color. And bam! Kyle Isbell. Whatever, Kyle Isbell. 17 out of 50 on the Kyle Isbell. But once again, the White Sox did well in box 21. All right, box 22 coming up. We're almost done. 3 boxes left. And it's 5 o'clock in the morning. Of course, I didn't start till like 2, right? It was a tough night. I was trying really hard to start as fast as I could. Alec Baum. What products should I get in? Like, I can order products today and I'll have them by Friday. Alec Baum, Shunk Melendez, Fletcher Cassis Slayton, Gunther Gambrell, Schmidt, Greg Jones, Hicklin, Hunter Bishop. That's a very nice card. Cannon, Riley Green. Very nice card. Hill, Williamson, Fitterer, CJ Abrams. Nice. That's a nice pack. Carroll, Palante, Jimenez, Thompson, Adaman, Smith, Lewis, Phillip, Amaya, Williams, Julio Pablo, Grant McCrae, Peyton Burdick, first Bowman, Blue Refractor, Peyton Burdick for the Marlins, and Spencer Brickhouse. Also a first Bowman. Brickhouse, 7th round, and Peyton Burdick, 3rd round. But the base in that one, I mean, I didn't even pull out all the base, but these two, whoot. So good box just based on the base. Based on the base. Good box. That is box 22. Here comes box 23. Opening Day and Donruss. Royals. I'm never going to get either one of those products in a million years. Ever. Royals. Really? Opening Day and Donruss? No. Donruss, I couldn't even get it because it's already backed up on my staff as it is. And then with Donruss, they don't have team names. So then they'd have to figure that out. Which it doesn't, some teams it doesn't matter. Like if the card says Miami, we're good. But if it says New York or if it says LA or if it says Chicago, you know what I mean? It's just... Driscoll, Ornelas, Lewis, Fernandez, Wesneski, Cower, Edwards, Ciani, Florial, Small, Varsho, Taglia, Manoa, Jack Little, Josh Jung, nice card, Kairos, Sanford, Garcia, Devers, Nunez, Ornelas, Corey Lee, Darian Cruz, Quinn Priester, Siegler, Davidson, Garcia, Henderson, Anderson, and Logan Wolf. So no huge base except for the Jung. Andrew Schultz for the Phillies. And Dalton Varsho. Dalton Varsho's got a lot of cards. Dalton Varsho is 3 of 25, 95 out of 99 on the Schultz. Nothing major in there. I think that Josh Jung was probably my favorite card from that entire box. All right, this is our 24th box. It has been 12 boxes since we hit a Papadopoulos. I feel like we're due. Even though they're 1 in every 102 boxes, I just feel like right now is the time to hit one. What do you guys think? Right now? Do a salute to Heritage. We got a gold. That's not bad. Gold's not bad. Tommy Henry. Travis Swaggerty. Dasan Brown. Izzy Wilson. James Beard. Zephyr Jean. Victor Mesa. Tony Losi. Tyler Fitzgerald. Logan Wyatt. Julio Rodriguez. McConnell. Kellenick. Bush. Jelly. Lipschitz. Smith. Johnson. Santana. Ortiz. Will Robertson, Gorski, Espino, Tennessee Whiskey, Cal Mitchell, Joey Bart, Agnos, JJ Bleday. Such a nice card. I'm really happy with that card right there. What do you guys think? Do you think that's the exact same card? If so, that's going to be Eric Rivera. Definitely looks like his bat and his helmet. I don't know. It almost looks bigger, though, on the blue. Quintana, Jordan Groshans, and Eric Rivera. There he is. Eric Rivera. And last card, Clark Schmidt. People are talking high about him right now, though. They sure are. 3 of 15 on the Clark Schmidt. Those first 12 boxes were amazing. The second 12 were good. They were actually really good, but they're nothing compared to the first 12. That was insane. The first 12 were just crazy good. Triple threads and definitive. Triple threads? Really? Let me save this video.